What is going on, guys? I hope you're all doing alright. I just want to take this opportunity to thank every single one of you that has subscribed to my YouTube channel in the past. It's almost been a year now since I started, and what a year it has been, in all honesty. You know what I mean? I literally started this channel just as a bit of a New Year's resolution to start videoing the car scene in my area a bit more, and you know what I mean, I've just ticked over 3,000 subscribers, so it's I know it's not the best, but you know what I mean, I'm really happy with it. And like I said, every single one of you that subscribed, thank you very much. I really appreciate it, and I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas as well. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Blue Goblin Christmas sample pack. I'll be honest with you, I've not done an unboxing video before, so if I'm a bit I don't know, like a bit slow or a bit, I guess I don't know if I'm not describing things correctly or whatever, I do apologise, but yeah, so I've literally just got this through the post now while I've been at work, so I thought, right, I'll grab my camera and get this unboxed right now for all you to see. Before I begin, the product itself is $23.95. You get 10 bottles in there. It's a sample pack, like I said, so decent sized bottles, not full size, but decent sized bottles nevertheless. And yeah, so if you're thinking about getting your partner, or you know, maybe a family member or whatever, someone who's a car enthusiast who definitely would appreciate having a different mixture of detailing products, maybe consider getting them this. I'll put the link in the description below. Alright, so to start off with, you get a nice, well, actually I'll say it as well, there's a nice little message as a bit of a thank you and a Merry Christmas from Blue Goblin. Also the products as well, they're in this nice sort of blue theme, I guess, Blue Goblin tissue paper, which is really nice. Decent sized bottles really, to be fair, and each one of them is colour coded, so that you can go off the guide or so you can know exactly which one's which. Alright, so without further ado, as well the products themselves are just a screw top, but when you actually come to using the products, just use one of these, the little nozzle thing. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so number one, I'm not going to do this in any order, I'm literally just going to grab them out of the box. So yeah, number one is purple, which is the Afterglow Hydroponic Detailer, which is probably one of the first products I started using since I started the YouTube channel, really. I remember going to a car meet and having the conversation with the owner, and we just sort of took off from there. I ended up purchasing this and another product of theirs as well, and we just sort of took off from there. We just kept talking, and the channel grew from there, and then we discussed having a sponsorship and a money off code as well, which I know some of you have been using. I always keep it in the description, I always put it on the end of all my videos as well. Yeah, so obviously a bit of money off for you guys as well. So yeah, this is kind of like the product that started it all off for me, really, and I guess you could say the sponsorship between us. So yeah, this product is actually really good for example, if you was going to a show or a meet, you wanted to, so let's say you've detailed your car before you've gone out or whatever like that, and when you've arrived, you've noticed there's a couple of watermarks or maybe just a bit of, I don't know, dust or whatever like that on the paintwork, and you can see it, and maybe if you was concerned about maybe having your photo taken, a quick once over with this will sort it right out. You know, it'll boost the performance, as you could say, of your wax or your just like your paintwork and your yeah, so if you put like a sealant or a wax on your paintwork, so definitely one to get this. Definitely one of the products you need this. Right, so next is the abrasive polish. Alright, so once you've snow foamed your car, or you know, you want to give the paintwork a good once over and make sure that it is gleaming and up to the, you know, make sure that the paintwork is up to this, you know, what you'd expect it to be, so you know it's looking absolutely quality. This will bring your paintwork to life. And you know, so if you were getting, you know, like I said at the beginning, you know, if you were getting your photo taken of your car or whatever like that, this will get rid of any of those swirl marks you maybe had in the past, or obviously you'll have been looking after your car, so I mean maybe the previous owner of your car has caused. So yeah, those swirl marks, they'll be gone, they'll be permanently gone. So yeah, so definitely one for keeping you, definitely the product that will keep your paintwork looking the best. Alright, so next is the Slick Tyre Gloss Gel. Water based, restores the shine in the tyres basically, nice little tyre shine product. Long lasting, easy to apply, you know, put it on an applicator or a cloth, whatever you've got. Quick once over and then maybe just give it a second, maybe give it a go again. Yeah, it'll come up looking shiny and new. Even if you have a part worn as well. Alright, so next product is the Bleeding Fallout Remover. So on the wheels again, basically, this will get rid of all the brake dust you've had, you know, that's been building up on those alloys, for example, or whatever. Quick once over with this. He has put a slight warning on here that it will create a bit of a foul smell, which is kind of normal considering it's a fallout remover. But yeah, spray this on, give it a little bit of time just to dissolve and soak up all that brake dust and everything else. Quick go with the, I don't know why I'm doing that, quick go with the pressure washer and they'll look brand new. And then once you've done that, give it a go with this, which is the Power Plus Alkali Alloy Cleaner. Quick spray again with the nozzle, and yeah, so it should keep them looking shiny, and will definitely get up any of those bits of stubborn dirt that are probably gathered up on your wheels over time. Yes, this, one of my favourite products of the lot, this is actually the second product I think I bought from Blue Goblin right at the very beginning. It is the dashboard cleaner, the Purity is what it's called, and it gives off a really nice coconut smell, and it's possibly my favourite product of the lot, this. Gives off, like I said, a really nice coconut smell, and really good for using it on your dashboard, but as well, because this smells really bad, because this smells really good as well, I didn't bother with a air freshener for a while on this, you know what I mean, just use this every now and then. Gives off a nice smell, not too overpowering or anything like that, perfect for all your bits of trim, you know, if you've got any wood in there, plastics, whatever, you know what I mean, it'll give them the shine and eliminates any dust that's on there as well. Alright, so next is the Shimmer, which is the fast acting glass cleaner. Pretty straightforward really. Give this a quick once over on your glass once you finish cleaning your whole car. Just gets rid of any stubborn marks that are on there, maybe water marks, etc. Gives it a nice glow and doesn't leave any smear marks or anything like that. Yeah, it just says, basically it just says on there, spray onto the glass surface, wipe away and buff it required, spotless finish every time. Alright, so bottle number 7 is the Elimination Fast Acting Tar Remover. So if you're like me and you notice that you have a bit of maybe little black specks gathering the sort of wheels, this product will loosen it off. Quite strong, but safe to use on your paintwork and your glass. So yeah, removes tar in seconds, it says. So it just says use it with a microfiber cloth, wipe away, and it just says do not allow it to dry on the surface as well, so just keep that in mind. And also wait for the vehicle to cool down as well, because it just says do not use while the vehicle surface is hot. Yeah, so that is the Elimination, which is a good name as well. We move on to the Emerald Shine pH Neutral Shampoo. This product, it's literally just a case of, it says how much to put in, 25 to 50 milliliters, so I don't know, I mean maybe around maybe a fifth of the bottle or whatever, so you're getting about 5 or 6 washes out of it. Add it to a bucket of water for your shampoo, and it smells really nice. Actually, it smells like a nice sour apple, like sweet sour apple. It smells really nice and fruity. Highly concentrated, says, meaning a little goes a long way. So yeah, you probably don't need that much in there, but just add this to you when you're giving your paintwork a good once over. Yeah, so it's pH neutral, and obviously it won't affect if you've waxed or used sealant on any of your panels or paintwork or anything like that. So obviously it won't affect, you know, if you want to get those nice little beading shots and what have you. So you don't have to worry about that. Like I said though, this smells really nice. This product, nice apple smell. Right, and finally, the product, I should have maybe done these in order or whatever, but it doesn't matter. The snow foam, the ultra concentrated snow foam, which is called Tempest, contains a powerfully active ingredient that effortlessly breaks down dirt and road grime on the paint surface. So it says it can be diluted to a 200:1 ratio and still be effective, and has a nice sweet cherry fragrant smell. And if it's anything like the interior spray which I've had off Blue Goblin in the past, it'll smell really nice as well. Yeah. So it just says, for a heavenly thick blanket of foam, dilute 1 part product to 10 parts water. So yeah, and it says take extra care in direct sunlight and high temperatures. So make sure it's in a cool area, and make sure make sure the car is cooled down as well. So yeah, that's all 10 bottles. So yeah, so it's literally 10 nice little sample size bottles, nice mixture of products as well. So you could detail your whole car basically, and you know, you might even get your if you're buying this for your partner, they might do your car as well for you. So yeah, so 10 decent sized bottles, nice variety, perfect for any car enthusiast that appreciates when you have a nice clean car. Obviously winter is ahead of us now, and you know, it's going to be snowing and there's going to be more dirt and tar on the road, and you know, the dreaded bloody grit trucks and everything like that. So keeping on top of your paintwork is definitely something you should do, because obviously winter is the harshest time on your paintwork, and you know, you need to keep on top of that, because you know, unless you've put your car away for winter or whatever, then this is something that you need to get. In all honesty, I can't wait to start using this stuff as well. So yeah, like I said at the beginning, $23.95, really good products, really good products. I've been using this for the past year now. If anybody, you know, yeah, so like I said, really nice presented Christmas box as well. You know, leave it just, you know, you don't have to wrap this up or anything. I mean, it's already wrapped up for you. You just have to, this will look really smart under the Christmas tree as well, I think, you know, because it has a nice sort of traditional Christmas look to it. I know the looks aren't everything or whatever, but it sort of has a nice looking traditional style to it as well, which is really good. So, and as well, keeping in mind that you do get the guide in there as well, which is colour coded and clear as day. So yeah, so if anybody out there is considering buying it, I think it's a great product in all honesty. So yeah, I think with that, guys, I think that's pretty much it. Just want to say as well, anybody, all my subscribers, everybody, take it easy on the road for the next couple of weeks, wherever you are. You know, don't do anything stupid. Keep your cars clean, and all the best for 2019. And yeah, take it easy, guys. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye. Once bitten and twice shy, I keep my distance, but you